Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to pay your tuition online using Nelnet. Follow along as we walk you through the process to ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction. Step 1. Access the Nelnet portal. Begin by navigating to the official Nelnet website. If you are a first-time user, you will need to create an account. Click on the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your student ID and email address. Step 2. Log into your account. Once you have created your account, return to the home page and click Log In. Enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Step 3. Locate the Payments section. After logging in, look for the Payments or Tuition Payments section in the dashboard. This is where you can view your tuition balance and payment options. Step 4. Select Payment Method. Choose your preferred payment method. Nelnet typically allows payments via bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Click on the method you wish to use and follow the instructions provided. Step 5. Enter payment information. If you are paying via bank transfer, enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. For credit or debit card payments, input your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Step 6. Review your payment. Before finalizing the payment, take a moment to review the details. Ensure that the amount, payment method, and any other relevant information are correct. Step 7. Submit your payment. Once you are satisfied with the information, click the Submit button to process your payment. You should receive a confirmation message on screen, and an email confirmation will be sent to your registered email address. Step 8. Keep records. Make sure to save or print your confirmation email for your records. This will be useful in case you need to verify your payment later. We hope this step-by-step guide has made paying your tuition with Nelnet easier for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful content.